Hey guys, it's Christopher over at Funtown RV, and right now we're in Corsicana's indoor showroom. We're going to be doing a walkthrough on the Vibe 26BH. Let's take a look. So right here we have a humongous pass-through storage, plenty of room, plenty of space, and then right under that, guys, we're going to have the controls for our electronic stabilizing system. So as simple as we get unhooked from our truck, and we're able to put these down, get everything stable and ready for fun. All right, guys, as we continue on, of course, we're gonna have a door or screen. We have these steps right behind here. There's little buttons. That's how we're gonna adjust those legs. Make sure that no matter what terrain we're on, we're able to get that safe pathway into our camper. Right here, we're gonna have our outside sink and our Ever-Chill fridge, and then our hookups for our TV. Whether you're at the campsite or if it's game day, we're gonna have you covered. As we continue on this way, of course, we have our 12-volt awning with our lights underneath, and then if you notice, our speakers also have those lights. All right, guys, there's no feature left untouched here. We are pre-wired for a Furrion rear camera, so whether you're an experienced camper who's been doing it for 30+ years, or this is your very first one, don't worry, Furrion went ahead and pre-wired for a rear camera. So that's gonna help eliminate the blind spots on both sides, but also help you as you're backing up. All right, guys, before we go in, make sure to like, follow, and share. Comment any questions you may have or any other campers you'd love to see us do a video on. Let's go take a look inside. All right, guys, now that we're inside, I want to point out our control panel right here. It's going to be a great feature. So we're able to read our tank levels, our battery levels, but also turn on our heater for our water heater, whether it's gas or electric, control our slides and awning all right here. It's an amazing feature to have. But then right behind me, guys, this is gonna be the second pantry. So that's right, I said second pantry. The amount of room in this camper is unbelievable. As we continue on though, we're gonna have this humongous TV. That's right, guys, a 50-inch TV inside a travel trailer. It's unheard of. Right below my TV, of course, we're gonna have all these cabinets room for all the storage. So plenty of storage in this camper again. And then right below that, of course, we're gonna have our fireplace, our Furrion fireplace. So it's a 30-inch fireplace, so whether you want the ambiance of it or you're just wanting to have the heat, you're able to do so. Furrion has you covered. All right, guys, right here, it's gonna be an amazing feature to have. The amount that you're able to sleep in this camper is just unheard of. So these fold down, super easy. And then this part right here folds down. We're ready for bed. All right, guys, talking about sleeping room, right here we're gonna have our U-shaped dinette. So whether we're playing cards, eating dinner, don't even worry about it. We have you covered here, but then after you're all done, this folds down, sets on these little lips right here, and makes into a bed that 2 adults can easily sleep at. And then talking about beds, right here behind me, we have our double bunks. So plenty of storage room underneath, and then right next to our bunks, of course, we're gonna have our bathroom. So huge shower, plenty of storage in there. And then guys, this is one of 2 pantries right here. So look how much storage space you have in there, tons of room, tons of space. It's all about bringing those amenities that you have at home on the go. And then Furrion definitely is not leaving anything untouched. They have your fridge and freezer here looking great, looking sharp. All right, guys, also Furrion has our 3-burner stove, oven, and then right below that, we actually have our storage for our pots and pans. Plenty of counter space here. We have our Furrion microwave. And then guys, again, storage, storage, storage. There is so much storage in this one, it's unbelievable. All right, guys, we're in the master bedroom now. With this queen bed, we're gonna have USBs and plugs on both sides of the bed. Plenty of storage above. We're gonna have the storage below with the little cubbies right there. And then guys, we also have the closet. That's right, I said it. We have the closet with hanging room and actually hanging tote bag. But if you look above us, right here, we're gonna have that second AC. So it's all about those little features that they didn't want to leave out and they made sure you had. And then right here is pinpointing one of the main ones. So right there, that's gonna be your control reading panel for the solar power. That's right, guys, I already said it. It has solar power and it's already installed. All right, guys, we just took a look at the Vibe 26BH. Make sure to like, follow, and share. And remember, the fun starts here.